Welcome to Shelftech channel. Today, we will explore interesting and exciting content together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss the latest videos from us. The Modular Track Bed Replacement System, featuring a combination of the Ram 4500 chassis cab and the Host Mammoth, is a unique architectural masterpiece. The system's design is optimized to keep it lightweight while maintaining a load capacity of up to 7,000 pounds. Additionally, it boasts a spacious 108 cubic feet storage area equipped with secure locks and lighting, providing convenience and safety for storing essential items. It is not just a mobile bed. It is a versatile mobile home offering an excellent travel and exploration experience for adventure enthusiasts. The second customer tray and canopy for the LC79 is an icon of sophisticated upgrades, creating a bold and impressive appearance. The tray and canopy provide a distinctive look for the vehicle and enhance the overall aesthetics. Made from high-quality materials, the tray accommodates useful tools for work and outdoor activities. It helps protect goods and equipment while reinforcing the vehicle's carrying and utilization capabilities. Combined with the tray, it creates a practical and secure space for transporting essential items. The unique design and utility combination of the second customer tray and canopy make the LC79 stand out and more appealing than ever. You need a smart companion for every journey. And here's an energy-efficient cover called Solis and Core. With its soft trifold design, this cover is not only an elegant blend of utility and flexibility, but also an intelligent solution for cargo space management. The premium vinyl material not only enhances durability and sturdiness, but also protect your cargo from the challenges of weather and the environment. Easy to expand and collapse as needed, it is a versatile and efficient solution for every vehicle owner looking to protect and optimize their storage space. The Detroit Wrecker low-slung trailer is more than just a vehicle for transporting cars. It is a formidable weapon in an industry that demands precision and power. With lifting capabilities and a modern steering system, this machine always proves its class in transporting heavy and luxury vehicles. Outstanding versatility and control help low-slung trailers move gracefully in every situation, from moving to lifting, enhancing your professionalism and reputation in the auto transport industry. The Detroit Wrecker low-slung trailer is more than just a tool. It's your trusted partner, enhancing your strength and reputation in the industry. The customized hydraulic dump bed for the Ford Ranger is not just a unique feature, but also a powerful driving force behind the flexibility and utility of the vehicle. Designed to transport various loads from topsoil to concrete, sand, gravel, wood, debris, and waste, this dump bed is more than an accessory. It's an invaluable assistant in every construction and transportation task. The smart design and high durability make handling a variety of loads efficient and safe. With a Ford Ranger equipped with this dump bed, you not only have a convenient utility vehicle, but also a reliable partner in every transportation and construction mission. Rearlight Compartments is a notable innovation in the world of taillight compartments, serving not only a space to house lights but also as a ventilated and creative space for storing and organizing personal items. The adjustable compartments are flexible to accommodate various objects, from small tools to personal belongings. This not only creates convenience but also helps maintain neatness and safety in the vehicle's storage space. Flagship Rearlight Compartments is not just an enhancement for your vehicle, it's a symbol of intelligence and creativity in optimizing every space on your journey. Cool Pickup Track Crane is not just an accessory. It's a powerful tool that optimizes the carrying capacity of the pickup truck. With its lifting and swift movement capabilities, it's an ideal partner for lifting and transporting heavy materials with ease. Designed to tackle every challenge, it brings unlimited strength and flexibility. Cool Pickup Track Crane not only saves time and effort, but also opens up new creative spaces, transforming your truck into a versatile tool ready to meet all work needs. Digital wireless alignment camera is an indispensable assistant for your daily driving. With advanced wireless technology, it helps you easily monitor and check the alignment of your vehicle without the need for assistance from others. You can confidently monitor and adjust your alignment right from the driver's seat. The clear and convenient digital display makes this process simple, saving time and enhancing your control on the road. The digital wireless alignment camera is not just a useful tool, it's a reliable companion supporting every journey on the road. The classic BedRug bed mat is a reliable companion protector for your truck. With its non-slip material, it keeps items stable and prevents them from sliding out of the bed while you're on the move. Additionally, the BedRug mat provides a soft protective layer for your items and keeps the bed surface from getting scratched. It goes beyond just anti-slip features, creating a comfortable space for your rest times transforming your truck bed into a cozy and item-friendly space. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. Please leave your comments and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next interesting content. See you in the next videos.